Yeah, not just staying on the trail.
Just looking for. Oh, look, these got seafood. How much of these are Griffin?
Said it looks like the Punisher.
We need a hiking stick.